I'm recording now. We got Fluent. We got Superman. And we got the super choppers about to lift off. Yawn! Yawn! Hey, bro. Oh, snap. And that's the end of the chopper.
Right, bro,
that's the end.
6-4 action.
That's the end.
Dude, it broke.
Oh, dude, it for real, bro. Hey, try to fly it. See what happens.
No, okay.
Let's do an experiment.
It came with replacement propellers.
But let's just see what happens. Maybe it'll fly better now.
Yeah, right.
Maybe you discovered a new way of flying. Alright, hold up. Get ready.
Hold on.
What happened?
After you crash, let reset.
Excuse me. I be loving it. Oh, dude, it's thug now, dude. That's thug life. You see, it flies even better. Oh! Oh, he riding the ceiling. That's tight.
Something like a stomach.
Ghost ride the chopper. Hey, I think you need a new move now. Hey, fly over, land on the fan blade right here. Land right. Oh, snap! Oh, that's the end. Oh, it bounced. Oh. Hey, land on the fan blade. Oh. Uh-oh, it says low battery.
I really shouldn't be acting like this is funny. This thing cost $60.
I thought it was like $20 or something, dude. Snapping.
Yeah.
Alright, this is 2 minutes. We out.
Peace.